Hi friends, I'm Dilak. You're watching TechMate Unique, and today we're going to see about a super Android widget. It's called a folder widget. You can just place a different type of folder widget like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. Download the folder widget large folder application from the Play Store. It's one of the, you can just create the folder as a widget. You can just create your own folder. So this is the folders. I have 9 apps on the top of the folder, and here are different type of apps. It's look like a folder. You can just long press it, you can just resize it, you can just move wherever you just need it. You can create this type of folder. You can see how I just going to rearrange this. So for example, here I just going to rearrange this and just going to place it on the bottom. You can just extend the folder size by this, or you can just make a customization on your home screen. So this is a super folder widget. If you just need it, you can just do whatever you just needed. You can just create your own folder. So I'm just going to show. So first, long press on your screen and just go to the widget option. Click on the folder widget, and you can have a lot of size. You just select any one of the widget, and just place on your home screen. Now it's open here for the configuration of the widget. You just select the apps you just needed. Then you just can add more apps. First, you have to click on the second tab. Here you have a sum of was 3 into 4 and 2 plus 4 like that. After selecting the size, you can just add more apps. Okay, then you just can change the apps whenever you just need it. Click on this. Here you can just change the folder color. So you can choose darker color, you can choose lighter color, whatever the color you just needed. Then click on the final thing. Here you can just add the text whatever and click on the save option. So now you can just resize it and place wherever you just need it. So I think this video helped you. Don't like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Dilak Sari from TechMate Unique. Have a wonderful day.